Hello everyone. First of all, in this video, what we are going to cover is what is Kuberns, how you can deploy Strapi, which is the ultimate CMS platform, using Kuberns. So Kuberns is an AI-powered cloud deployment and cloud management system, which simplifies the deployment for you in just few clicks, where you just need to connect the GitHub and that's it. From there on, Kuberns takes care of the scaling, deployment, everything by itself. So in this video, what we are going to cover is the Strapi, which is an open source CMS platform, which is being widely used in the startups industry for blogging and all. Even our landing page is like developed using Strapi. So it's a C content management system. How to deploy Strapi using Kuberns? So you can come to the templates over here on the Kuberns landing page, and we just need to click deploy Strapi in one click. Once we click on it, you will be redirected to the sign up page where we need to log in. Once we log in, you will be deploy the projects. You will be able to create a new project over here. Then we need to click on an open source templates. Once you click on open source template, there are various templates which Kuberns support, like OpenCloak, Strapi, Flowise, N8N. There are a lot of them. In this video that we are going to deploy Strapi over here, I'll click on continue. Okay, once I click on continue, then I need to fork this repository. I need to select Strapi template, which I have already forked to the repository. Then I need to add the environment variables over here, the secret and all. Okay, and that's it. Once I click on deploy, it is going to take 2 minutes. So this is fully AI powered, where AI detects your configuration, it provides you CI/CD, domain connection, scaling, everything at a one place, and it gets deployed in like 2 minutes. So it is getting deployed. We need to wait it for like 2 minutes to do it. Here it is done. And when I click on visit over here, my Strapi is created. I just need to fill up the form and I can start creating the content over the Strapi. Basically, we just need to create blogs, content, and we can add blog to our blogs page, landing page, or services page, anything. So over here, there is server, database, to get an overview. And even if you want more customization on top of Strapi, you just need to do a git push on your repository which you have already forked, and that's it. From there on, the Kubernetes takes care of these of your CI/CD. Apart from it, you can connect your custom domain from here, where you just need to add your custom domain. Let's say kuberns.com. You need to click on verify. It will take like 2 minutes to like connect your custom domain. Here is what the environment variables that we have added. Here we get the live logs. This is the resource management tab, where we can stop our servers if not required. Even if you want to stop, if it's a development server, you can do it, but CMS would be up much more than that. Here is a monitoring system, which is very great, which Kubernetes provides, and we can monitor the RAM, CPU utilizations, the response time, everything. Plus, we can track a team activities over here as well. There is 24/7 support provided by Kuberns over here. You can raise a ticket and Kuberns will be up and running. So this is how the Strapi is deployed. And there are much more other templates which you can go to resources, templates, and these are all the open source templates which Kuberns support. And apart from the open source template, Kuberns support your custom deployment. Like we know Cursor, Windsurf are the development tools, but to deploy, it's a hectic task. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of cost as well for developers to deploy an application and to manage those applications over the cloud. That is where Kuberns comes in. It's a fully AI powered platform where you connect your GitHub and it will take your custom projects as well as an open source projects live. So do visit kuberns.com and deploy your application. They provide free trial, and then if you like it, you go and pay and use for a life. So it saves a lot of cost, and plus the additional benefit is it is much more cost efficient compared to other platform as a service providers. So do try Kuberns today and do like the video as well. Thank you very much.